Let's try to go back to old school. This is as old as I can get, right? So let me see. Something like that. Let's go fishing, baby. Down at the fishing hole. Hey, let's go fishing, baby. Down at the fishing hole, baby. Let's go fishing down at the fishing hole. You bring the bait, babe. I bring my pole. We're going down that fishing hole. We might catch something we both like. We might go home, fry the fish tonight. Let's go fishing down at the fishing hole. I'll make sure I bring enough bait. You know how to fish, like to sneak a little taste. I put some beer and wine on the side. With the fish don't bite tonight. Let's go fishing down at the fishing hole. Hey, let's go fishing, baby. Down at the fishing hole. Hey, let's go fishing, baby. Down at the fishing hole. So let's go fishing down at the fishing hole. Yeah. I'll make sure the line is tight, where I can feel when the fish start to bite. I hope the water is nice and calm, where I can feel when the fish start to squirm. Let's go fishing down at the fishing hole. Hey, let's go fishing, baby. Down at the fishing hole. Hey, let's go fishing, baby. Down at the fishing hole. So let's go fishing down at the fishing hole. I know a nice and quiet spot where the sun don't get too high. We gonna sit by an old oak tree and fish as close as we wanna be. So let's go fishing down at the fishing hole. We might catch some walleye at the fishing hole. We might catch some perch, y'all, at the fishing hole. We might catch some catfish at the fishing hole. We might even make love, baby, at the fishing hole.